Pandemic is spreading and there's already a new scare from China. A new killer virus. It's called the Hantavirus. You must have seen it trending on social media today. The virus is old, but the concerns are new, and so is the death. We don't want to spread panic, but we must know the facts. What is going on in China? Global Times, the mouthpiece of the Chinese Communist Party, was the first to report about this virus, the Hantavirus, as they're calling it. It said that one person from the Yunnan province of China died on a chartered bus.
Ay man, la ngathi basifa la madoda. China idlala ngathi. Baqale bathi coronavirus. Nyalo i-Hantavirus. Tova bathi black label virus. Caselight virus. Ifunani kani? Henneken virus. Ay, madoda. Asenimeni kancane madoda. Asenimeni kancane. Ningafiki la. Gcinani ku black label virus. Gcinani ngalana ku lion virus. Hayi la.